I'd like to take a minute and introduce you to your calculator. There's two ways of finding your calculator, and you can always click on it to make a new one. If you click on this free calculator and you go down here, it'll say free calculator. You click on the link, or you can go to what you need to get started, and you can scroll down to statistics calculator. So go to this Google Sheets calculator. It's going to prompt you to make a copy, so you can make as many of those as you want. And this copy of statistics and hypothesis, let's go ahead and change this. Let's call it free calculator. So this calculator can do a whole bunch of stuff, most of which we won't understand at the moment. But I want to just point out a couple of things. If we need probability, which we will in chapter 4, we've got these different options here. Descriptive statistics comes up rather quickly, and we can have a whole bunch of descriptive statistics here. Confidence intervals and hypothesis testing. Notice most of this stuff is blank at the moment. If we scroll down though, we can see some instructions underneath the hypothesis testing, right? It says always start in cell A1. If using one column of data, use column A. If using two columns of data, use column A and B. If using a matrix of data, use column A and E as needed. And it says fill in any green boxes. So these are green boxes that we might need to fill in. So say we go back to descriptive statistics and there's no numbers here, but we start in column A. Say we want to add a couple numbers. These are just my numbers I'm typing in. Cool. So once we have all these numbers, let's put one more 9 there. The calculator automatically generates all this information, some of which you might see and recognize, and some of which you might not yet. Like you might recognize words like mean and median, but the words standard deviation, that might be new, or at least unfamiliar. And the first and third quartiles might also be unfamiliar. So that's just a brief introduction. As we're doing the homework problems and you get stuck, feel free to ask questions about how to use the calculator, and I will post more videos on how to do that. All right, thanks.